This video will show you how to add a widget to your website quickly and easily. For this demonstration, we'll use a lead connector website as an example. However, the steps apply to any other platform, such as WordPress, Wix, or similar. To get started, go to IDX add-ons and select the app you want to install. In this example, we'll use the search tool widget. Go ahead and set up your widget just the way you want. Adjust the settings to match your preferences. Once you're done, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the copy code button to grab your JavaScript snippet. Great! Now we're ready to install it on your website. Log into your website's editor. We're using a lead connector website as an example, but these steps work for other platforms like WordPress or Wix. Navigate to the section where you can edit or add HTML code. Then paste the JavaScript snippet you just copied into the editor. Once the code is in place, click Save or Publish, depending on your platform. Now, open your website or refresh it if you already have it open. You should see the widget appear exactly where you pasted the code. And that's it! Your widget is now live and ready to use. Thanks for watching and enjoy enhancing your website with your new widget.